Hi everyone, it is my pleasure to speak to you on this special occasion. When I first took on the minor in real estate, I did not know what to expect. However, after my first class, I had already gained so much insight and I knew this would become a passion. So I started to intern at the Jonathan Weiner Center for Real Estate, which has allowed me to look at the industry in a whole new way. This internship has allowed me to meet so many new people and have learned so much through it. Having a center like this at Concordia has truly been amazing. Through panels and discussions, as well as different events, students like me can acquire new knowledge and insight through various people in the field. The center's research initiatives and real-world experience is what sets us apart and allows us to succeed. Through the minor program, as well as my internship, I have learned so much and I know I will continue to do so. My hope is to help other students who may be in a similar position that I once was. I want to help them learn more about real estate because it is such a fast-paced and growing industry that has so much to offer. I'm very glad to have a center like this that helps students and industry players excel in this field. To Jonathan and Susan Weiner, thank you so much for your support and for helping me find my passion.